animals escaped zoos and unleashed chaos on the streets. Number 1. In 2007, a female tiger escaped her zoo and turned the streets into pure horror. People spotted her chasing around before she suddenly disappeared. 4 days later, they found her floating at sea. Before the last one, if you're not a robot, like this video and subscribe to my channel. Number 2. A group of 9 lions broke free from a zoo in Bangladesh at night, roaming the streets and causing total chaos. That's what you call a real traffic roar.